All right, guys, so we are in the car getting ready to run a few errands. Gonna go to the UPS store, drop off the Nespresso to the winner. I need to get coffee because I only had espresso this morning and I need coffee. It is very cold today. Not very, but it's cold, rainy and cloudy, so yeah, that's my mood right now. It's just blah today. So anyway, let's get going and I'll come back in a little bit. All right, y'all, I am just getting ready to grab some coffee now. I just left out of HomeGoods. It was a zoo and it's not even noon. So many people in there. So I literally got like the two things that I went in for, which is some cookware, some dishes that I wanted to get. I'll show that to you guys when I get back home. But yeah, this weather has just got me like, I just want to go home, get cozy, and finish watching The Crown. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much my days. Alright, guys, so here are the two cookware items that I picked up from HomeGoods. I got this one here. It's $9.99. And this is the name of it, I guess. Got this larger one, and this one was also $9.99. So I got both of those. I'm gonna get those washed up and put away. And I went to Whole Foods and picked up a few things. I'll show that to you guys. So I got some popcorn. This has been my favorite one, the buttered flavor with coconut oil. So good. My favorite organic chia and quinoa chips. I pretty much eat these as like a little treat with my dip. So I got those. Got some more bitchin' sauce. I just got the original. They were out of the Chipotle, so I just got the original, which I love. A thing of grapes. Got a thing of blueberries. Green pepper because I'm gonna make some chili. Mild Italian chicken sausage for my chili. Apples. I got this sweet kale chopped salad kit because I'm going to make a salad. I'll share that with you guys here in a minute because that's what I'm going to have for lunch. It's going to make my favorite little autumn salad. I've shared it here with you guys before. But yeah, this is what I'm going to have for lunch. Also picked up this honey apple cider vinaigrette dressing just because it sounds really good and it sounds very autumn like. So I'm gonna give this a try. I'm gonna taste it first. I've never tried this one before, so I'm gonna taste it first, see how I like it. If not, I'll just use one of my other vinaigrettes that I have. So yeah, that was everything that I picked up from Whole Foods, just because Thanksgiving is next week, so I didn't do a big grocery shopping haul just because I'll be doing the bulk of my shopping on Tuesday and Wednesday. So I just wanted to get something light for us for now, just to get us through the first few days of the week. The chili will definitely be something that we can kind of just eat on for a couple of days. So I'm gonna get that whipped up. I'm not sure if I wanna do it in a crock pot or if I'm just gonna do it on the stove top, but I'll share that with you guys too. But let me go ahead and get this stuff put up and then I'll come back and share with you all my salad. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients for the autumn salad. Sweet potatoes, I'm gonna just throw these in the microwave. They're the steam in bag. These are great. These are the ones that I like to use the most, plus Sefton likes these too. So I just take some out for my salads and then I let him have the rest. My salad mix, I'm gonna take all this other stuff out and just use the veggies inside. Got some pecans, feta cheese, cranberries, and your dressing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this whipped up. All right, so I'm gonna be using my new salad bowl here from Dowen. Open this. I'm gonna add my feta cheese now. cranberries. Try to make this pretty for y'all. I'm gonna add my pecans. All right, so now my sweet potatoes are done. I'm gonna grab those. All right, so I got my sweet potatoes here. So here's my salad. Very nice. I did taste the dressing. It's really good, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like in the bowl. So nice. And this bowl is huge, so if you like making big salads, this is definitely the bowl for you. I know a lot of you mentioned in my last video when I shared it that you had ordered them. So yeah, definitely something nice to add to your dinnerware collection, just because, I mean, it's just so nice. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my salad, and then I'll come back a little bit later when I start the chili. All right, and just because we keep it real around here, this is how I actually eat it. I toss it all up with the dressing and I eat it like this. So yeah, the first one was just a pretty presentation for you guys, but this is actually how I eat the salad. Mixed up, all messy, but so good. So I'm also gonna be having that with this strawberry sparkling water. So good, 0 calories, and yeah. All right, guys, so I'm just getting ready to get my chili going. I've already cut up my green pepper. Now I'm gonna cut up my onion and then get everything kind of like sauteed, and then I'm gonna add my ground turkey and my Italian chicken sausage, and I'm going to do this in the crock pot. So I've determined that that is how I'm going to make this. So I'll go ahead and get this chopped up, and then I'll come back. All right, so here's what I'll be adding to my chili. I have some McCormick mild chili seasoning. I'm just being lazy today. I usually add my own seasoning, but this is gonna do for today. I like to add brown sugar to my chili, chicken broth, fire roasted diced tomatoes, and dark red kidney beans. So that is what I add into my chili. Over here, I just have my ground turkey and chicken ready to go. All right, so I have my chicken sausage and ground turkey in the same skillet that I sauteed the peppers and onions in. Now I am going to add those back into the pot and mix. So I'm gonna let this cook a little bit longer, and then I'm going to add everything to my crock pot. All right, guys, so I totally got distracted and I was just cleaning up, and I realized I forgot to put the pinto beans in the chili. So yeah. All right, guys, so I'm just doing a little taste test in my ramekin. I'm not really that hungry yet. It's still early, but I just wanted to taste it to see how it's coming along. It's got probably about another half an hour before I turn off the pot. But yep, this is it. I think we're going to end the vlog here, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys. So I'm just getting my morning started, waiting on Seth to wake up, and I'm just gonna have some cinnamon raisin toast and my coffee. But I wanted to come on really quick just to clarify some things for you guys, because I did get some comments in my last video about the butter dish, and I guess I should have specified that I'm only portioning out the butter in this dish. I'm not storing all of my butter in here, because what I was doing is the night before I would just take the butter out, sit it on the counter, and then it would be soft for the morning, and then I would just put it back after I used it. Well, this way I can just take out what I need, put it in here, and this will last us a few days. So butter is okay to leave out for a few days, especially salted butter, without it like going bad. But yeah, I just wanted to clarify that, because someone was like, you know, you shouldn't leave butter out, blah, blah, blah. I'm aware of that. I research everything before I share it with you guys. So if I'm sharing it with you, I've already researched for myself, because I would never do anything to harm myself or my child. So just know that, and I do appreciate the comments telling me about that, but I just wanted to come on here and just specify that that's what I'm doing. Butter is stored in the original containers. I also have some country crock up here for my family members who visit, who are not into the organic butter thing like I am. When my mom comes over, whenever PK is in town, my little sister and brother, they just want regular butter. They're not on what I'm on. The whole purpose of me getting the dish was so that I could take out a portion of that and have it out on the counter and be soft. So yeah, so now I'm gonna just sit down, relax a little bit, have my coffee, have my toast. I am gonna work out a little bit later this morning, but it's still super early. So once I have my coffee, then I'll get going. But all right, guys, you got it. All right, guys, so we are just getting back home. We had to go and run some pre-Thanksgiving errands. Just needed to pick up some like household essentials, and went in Target, and it was like the apocalypse. The shelves were like wiped clean of all paper towels and toilet paper, at least the brands that I like. So I had to get the Up and Up brand, but it's okay. So we did that, ran a few other errands. Now we're back home. I'm gonna go in, clean up a little bit, straighten up, get things situated. And then I have to go to the grocery store tomorrow, so I'm just gonna leave that in the car. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye. I see you. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.